farmers, how are you doing? Today I want to take you through how to make a complete dairy meal for your livestock. So for you to make a complete dairy meal concentrate for your cattle, you need a concoction of several ingredients, energy giving products, proteins, and minerals. So on the part of energy giving food, of our feeds, I use maize bran, maize jam, uh, pollard, and sometimes maize cobs. We grade even maize cobs. Then after that, you also incorporate a certain percentage of cotton seed cake and a certain percentage of sunflower seed cake, to add on to the crude protein of the final product. Then after that, we also add trace minerals like dairy premix, yeast to help in digesting the animal to digest more. We also add toxin binder because sometimes these feeds comes when they have molds and fungi. So you have to use toxin binder to make sure that you bide those toxins not to be active in the body of the animal, thereby causing more problems. You also use a ratio of calcium by incorporating DCP calcium to phosphorus ratio. You have to be very keen on that in the dairy meal. So once you do that, and then you also add high phosphorus salt. When you do that, then you are doing your cow a service because you are giving it all that it requires to boost milk production. But now, feeding your cows on this raw silage, not silage, sorry, raw concentrate, the animal may not be able to digest fully everything that you are giving it. So in order to make use maximum benefit, to get maximum benefit from this dairy meal, so now we have adopted this method of fermenting. Fermenting, it is like you are pre-digesting, because when you ferment feeds, you break down the complex food materials like hemicellulose and cellulose into glucose, lactose, and glucose, which can be easily assimilated into the body system. You are also able to break down the proteins into amino acids. You're also able to break down the lipids, those complex lipids, into fatty acids, so the animal can be able to assimilate more into the body system. So that means when you ferment, your animal is able to get maximum benefit from this fermented feeds. So that I think I urge the farmers, this is the way they should go. And as I told you earlier, to ferment 100 kilograms of dairy meal, you need 2 liters of microbes and 4 liters of molasses into 20 to 25 liters of water. Then make sure that when you are mixing, don't make it to be a very thick paste. This is enough. You just mix properly, and you make sure like the water of the microbes plus water is about 40% of whatever you are going to mix. So this is enough. So after this, we are going now to compress. When you are compressing, you are trying to remove as much oxygen as possible. Then you cover properly, you seal properly for 3 days. After 3 days, then you start giving your cows. You realize that after several days, your cows are going actually to add more milk production from by about 30%, 30 to 35%. If you are doing it for the feedlot, those people who fatten animals, this method actually works very well for steers, because you realize that as opposed to when they gain 700 grams to 750 grams per day when you are giving the raw concentrate. But when you ferment the feeds, the animal actually can be able to gain at least 1 to 1.5 kilograms per day. So that is the essence of fermenting the feeds. So for dairy farmers and for beef farmers, goats, people who keep goats, dairy goats, and these are goats for meat, this is the way to go. You ferment your feeds and you save your money. Thank you. My name is John. For more information, please don't fail to subscribe and tick.